Tesla heating and air conditioning is really rubbish. It breaks down as soon as it is out of warranty. The air conditioner zone of this Model Y is broken. The air conditioner zone of this Model 3 breaks down just after it is out of warranty. And Yasu is also broken. Why is Tesla's and Yasu so fond of being broken? Because her heat pump air conditioner in Guangdong is particularly easy to get dirty.
Dismantle the speed reducer, dismantle the heat dream and disassemble them all. Wash the heat exchanger and pour some cleaning agent. The water that comes out is black. It's still black after washing several times. It's really dirty. It's strange that the compression clothes are not bad. Wash aluminum organs with detergent. Long time no see. Take out the condenser and clean it. Use detergent to flush the air conditioning pipes. The water coming out is all. Wash the black ones on both sides. Recover people violently. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian. Thank you for watching. Put it back again. Put the crusher back together. If you want the Tesla crusher to last a long time, you must clean the heat pump air conditioning pipeline frequently.